Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. We got a new type of video today. We're doing the Dice Decides My Manicure. I watched this guy on TikTok. I'll tell you a little bit about him later, but right now I got some dice. We're rolling for things. The first roll is going to be press on nails, so that's what we're going to do today. So the second roll I'm going to do is for what type of overlay we're going to use on the press-ons. And the dice decided we're going to use gel polish today. So now I got to figure out, I guess, what our theme is going to be for this manicure. Dice decides our theme is going to be fall. I was a little disappointed with this, but I mean, considering it is fall, I guess we can go with it. As for colors, I'm going to roll for 2 colors. The first color up is going to be nude. I am not mad at this at all. I love a good neutral palette. The second color, however, is purple, and y'all know this is not exactly my jam, but we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna see how it goes. For the design element, we got crystals, and that is not something that I do very often, but again, we're thinking outside the box here. We're gonna go with it, and we have to include a matte finish. Does that mean the whole manicure has to be matte? No, I will include one matte nail because I've been on a matte kick lately. This is what we have going on. This is what the manicure has to be, and we're going to get started with the gel polish on the press-on nails. I got 3 colors here, 1 nude color and 2 purples. One of them is a glitter. It didn't specify glitter in the Dice Decides, but it did not, so I'm going to use a glitter and a solid. I watched this guy on TikTok, okay? While I'm getting on my gel polish, I'll tell you how this kind of came about in my brain. If y'all are on TikTok and you ever watched this guy do roll for sandwich, it sounds bizarre, and it is, but I don't know, something about it reeled me in, and now I have to watch it every single week, his roll for sandwich. And it's the same thing. He rolls for different ingredients to put inside of a sandwich, and then he has to eat it. And I'm like, I'm going to do this, but with my manicures. And I would love to do this like once a month and make it a series if you guys are into it. And I would encourage you to try this yourself. I'm not going to tell you to go out and buy dice and a dice roller like I did because I'm a little extra, y'all know. But put some things in a hat, pieces of paper with things written on it, and just pick stuff. Because if you're like me and you get a mani block sometimes where you just don't know what the heck to do on your nails anymore, this is amazing. I would never have thought to do any of this together, and I am not mad at the way it came out. You're going to see it all shake out coming up, and you'll just wait. It comes together, I think. You guys will have to let me know. But let me know also if you've tried anything like this, or if you've had someone else decide your manicure, and let me know how it went for you. This was not bad. It was not bad. It could have gotten a lot worse. If you guys have any ideas of different designs or elements to add onto a mani for the next time I do this, if y'all want me to, let me know down below. I had thought about adding in like ethically sourced cat hair. Lord knows my bed is covered in it. But I don't know. Let me know if you have any ideas. So I'm going to start this whole thing by getting, as I mentioned, I think, 2 coats of gel polish on all of the nails. And then we're going to get into the design element. I'm going to show you a couple of things. Off we go. So here is where we are at. This is 2 full coats of gel polish. I did cure each coat for 2 full minutes. On this nail, I decided I wanted to do a glitter Frenchie. So not my typical thing, but I was feeling ambitious. I haven't done a French with gel polish in what feels like forever, so we're gonna I don't know, we're gonna attempt this. I personally happen to like a very deep smile line on my Frenches, which is probably why I don't do them very often. I can't seem to get a nice deep smile line with dip powder on a French manicure, even with the stamper hack that I tried a million years ago. But I figured I'm going to try this with gel polish and create this nice, deep, almost looks like a ballet slipper type French manicure with the smile line. And the glitter, this glitter is freaking gorgeous. What Modelones? I don't know. I don't remember which collection this glitter came in. If I can find it, I'll leave it linked down below. But Modelones really kills it with their gel polishes sometimes. I know you're probably wondering why I didn't use pudding polishes. I wanted to. But I do have so many gel polishes that I figured what better way to use them than to make press-ons. So that's why I'm saving my pudding gels for like the good stuff, you know? I didn't know how this was going to turn out. I was expecting a train wreck, even though I don't hate it in the end. So I got the Frenchie done. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I did do a second coat of the glitter because the glitter is a little sporadic for me. So I did 2 coats. And now we're going to throw some crystals on the deep purple nails. These are just cheapo crystals. I got them from Amazon. This tool is the double-ended cuticle tool / gem picker upper thing from Color My World. And I'm going to throw on the Adrada gel top coat, and that's what I'm going to use to adhere the crystals. You do not have to use a gel top coat. You can use dip liquids, nail glue, poly gel, builder gel, gem glue, gunk. I decided to go with top coat because I'm going to top coat the nail anyway, and one less product I got to use, right? So I get the top coat on the entire nail, and now I'm going to pick up the smaller crystals and do kind of a cuticle line around the back of the nail with the crystals. I'm just going to put them on there, arrange them exactly how I want them, and then I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. So I went ahead and I did the other purple nail and cured everything. I did a sweater nail on the pinky. That's my fall element and my matte element. If you want to see how I do that, I'll leave a video up in the cards. But here's the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and throw them on the nails. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to do this again. Let me know if you have any design suggestions. I am open to literally all the things, so no matter how crazy it might be, leave it down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.